Yes, I. This is the Roots Rock Record artist, Ras Morgan, represent KPSCVP. Yes, 2020. Big up on yourself. Yes, man. Well, I'm a Roots Rock recording artist, meaning roots and culture. That's how we think that. Yes, when you rhyme on time, that's how we think that. We get it from the old school artists, born and raised Kingston, Jamaica, so you know you have it naturally in your blood. Now we're here in Toronto, Canada, and we're just representing who we are and where we're from. Music our culture, music our base, music our we love, music our we endorse. And we intend that music are far away and beyond. Right now you can check us out on my website, rasmorganmusic.com, and you also have rasmorgan.com also. So you could find us on all social media, Facebook, Instagram, Ras Morgan Music, and Ras Morgan Reggae. And basically, as we say, we focus on music on moving forward. We focus on music on talking to the future. And if you can talk to the future, you have to talk to the youth, because the youth are the future. So majority of my songs are based to talk to the younger generation who is coming, so we can give them an idea or a platform for them to be themselves, because I got that idea and that platform from great ones like Marcus Garvey, great ones like Haile Selassie, you know, leading on and on, many females monarchy in the whole thing. So getting that knowledge, you have to pass it on, and we can't do it, we are doing musically. Ras Morgan can do it musically, and so we rhyme on time, and we do a thing that way then, see it? So I'm tell them, say, I know the youths are the future. Well, I know need to measure that with no ruler. Give them books and them bag and them proper education, and you can watch them, and you can watch them. I know the youths are the future. The Rasta need to measure that with no ruler. Give them books and bag and them proper education, and you can watch them, and you can watch them. Give the youths them an Eastern education, with a map of Africa, and then you step aside, my friend, and watch what you do. Them say the beach and the Mary, the earth and away the Bible called. Read Revelation 5:19, it teaches straight about the master. Them spend billions for moon and tell me them are trying to the water. But when me ask them for reparation, them put it one side in one corner. I know the youths are it. So as we say, we're there right now, a Rastafest thing, you know, we are represent. Because later on, musical joy. As I said, DJ client in the building. You're gonna be like joy. Big up Roots Reggae Radio. Yes, the platform where you can hear majority of Ras Morgan music. You can hear Ras Morgan doing his radio show along with Karen Delight on Fridays, Rhythm Up Friday. And a whole more Ras Morgan thing going on because of the future. And as we say, we look to the future. And if we can move our name and our brand towards the future and create something positive for the generation to come, that is where it's at. Big up yourself. Yes, I.
Brought to you by Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about us.